Hey boys, what are you doing? Jake, do you have Aiden's cup? Yeah, you took Aiden's juice cup. I know, but... Oh. I'm sorry, do you have anything else to say? Have you put... Is that Aiden's cup or your cup? Aiden, where's your cup? Where's your cup of juice? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's your cup, Jake? You guys keep trading cups, right? You probably shouldn't be standing on there. Not that it ever stops you. Uh-huh. Huh? You need to get off of there because you're going to bust your head wide open. Are you speaking Chinese? Are you speaking Chinese? What do you think so funny, Mr. Garlington? What do you think so funny? Hi, baby. Are you guys becoming best friends now? Jake Diano. Jake Diano. What are you doing? Yeah. You think that's funny? You've been laughing all day since Aiden's been here. Yes, you have. Speak Chinese. What was that? Yeah? What do you think he's saying, Aiden? You're awfully quiet. Aiden, what's Jake saying? No, don't talk for Aiden. He can talk for himself. Oh, okay. Aiden, I think what Jake just said was he's your lawyer and he'll do the talking for you. No. Are you hiding? Are you hiding? All right, I'll put the camera on you. Jeez. Be careful. Say, I love you. Say, Mama. Say, Mama. Okay, bye-bye.